Today we are not going to another beautiful place, but we are taking you to somewhere surprisingly frightening. This is a home for poisonous snakes, and there is an amazing man who takes care of these animals as his pets or loved ones.
This name is brown color cobra. It's a Sri Lankan 3-color cobra, black, brown, white. This is the brown one, very poison. His bite is 5-4 hour delay deadly. His bite half hour late is very fever. This is a second effect hard, very poison. This is Sri Lankan all family 36 family snake. This is a 5 family very poison. It's cobra, Russell's viper, hum-nose viper, sand viper, common crane. 5 family deadly poison. This all snake everyone changing his skin. Huh? This one everyone changing his skin. This one black cobra. This 3-color Sri Lankan, same poison. This is a white one cobra. This is a Sri Lankan uncommon white one. This is a black one common. It's the same poison, huh? This name is Russell's viper. This cobra more than poison. It's a daytime can't see, night active. His bite is 3-4 hour delay deadly. His bite 1 hour late is very fever. This effect kidney. This urine fast blood. This second third effect heart, very poison. So big is small, same poison. This old is 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
How old they can be?
25 years.
25 years. Is this the first time, maybe the last time in your life that you can do it?
Thanks for watching. Smash the like and subscribe to see more videos.